Hi guys, here is another cute video how to make this absolutely gorgeous paper flower center. I use them a lot at Sydney Paper Flowers when I fulfill my orders. So most of my flowers have absolutely same center, and I love making it, so I'm absolutely happy to share with you now how I do this. So what we will need cut the fringe, which is cut using obviously electronic cutting machine. Actually, you can cut it yourself using just craft knife, but well, I'll be honest with you, it will be time consuming thing, and it's really you can get this nice look, but it takes lots of time and practice for you to train your cutting skills. You will need a metal ruler and a cutting knife. Actually, any knife you can use, but the so you can use a knife like this or knife like that, or any other really precise cutting knife. And what you do, you cut along the metal ruler, and it takes really lots of time. So I do not recommend to use the stripes and these fringes if you have no cutting machine. But if you have, doesn't matter which one it is, most of the cutting machines, they work with SVG files. I work on my favorite machine, which is Cameo 3 by Silhouette. You can use CriCut or Brothers Scan and Cut or any other which takes SVG files, because we sell those files in 3 formats. Well, the PDF one for those who still want to try to cut with knife, so they can get an idea how they need to cut and where. For those who use Cameo, we sell files in format Studio 3, which is readable for Cameo. And for CriCut, we sell normally other files we sell in SVG format, but for those stripes, we sell the link to our shared project. So you just open the link in your browser, in your software, and you almost open my own working project, so you can get this file with no any dramas. So what I do, I just take off those first and the last stripe, because they are not always the same thickness. So, and these the fringe I use is 8 inches long and 6 inches high, and the stripes, all those stripes, they are approximately 1/8 of an inch, I'd say. So what we do, I use double-sided tape, which is absolutely thin, and it's about 6 millimeters or 1/4 of an inch. And I apply a little bit of tape onto my fringe. I saw lots of videos, lots of other paper florists who do not use tape, they use hot glue. I never do this, because this part of your fringe becomes very rigid, and then that's really hard to roll it in a knob. So no, I prefer this double-sided tape, it's easier. So, and then I fold this fringe, but not in half, but step in a little bit from the edge. And this little bit is almost 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. That's what I do. Now I take off this layer of my double-sided tape, and I stick 2 edges together. So that's what I get. This is a D-shape fringe. So what I do now, I just mark a middle of this fringe for me, and I glue this one end to the middle and another end to this starting point. So this way I get absolutely perfectly distributed two-layered flower center made from my D-shaped fringe. Ta-da! It's almost ready. And I just distribute all those spikes. Yep. Here we go. You see? It's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely fragile but fluffy. And we need to put a center on in the middle. So what I would like to make, we have another video here on our channel, how to make small spiky centers. You can use a link which will pop up in the end of this video. So I use 3 small fringes and I form a knob. I don't glue along the whole length because I will add a little bit of glue right on the bottom of this knob when I glue it to the flower. So 2, and you can see so my fringe is made of A4 sheet paper from this side. So the size, the length of it is 8.5, almost 8.5 inches, or 21 centimeter, and the height is 1.5 inches. So if I use 2 of those, it's not enough. You see, I can see the gaps in between, so I add the third one. Here in Australia, A4 size format in paper is much more popular than the one you guys use in US, which is letter size or 12 by 12 cardstock. So all my sizes, they come from A4 sheets, and now it's a absolutely perfect fit. There's no gaps here, no gaps there. So when I glue this to the flower, so what I do, I add glue all the way around here, and I glue this to the flower. But right now I don't need to glue this to the flower. I want to save this for my later project, so I glue a circle, just a circle to fix the glue, just to fix all these parts together. And now I can save it for later, for my coming project. So once my flower is ready, for example, if it's my flower, I just add the center with a little bit of glue. I don't need that much glue anymore. So here we go, the most popular, absolutely gorgeous D-shaped fringe center. Try it yourself and show us your flowers with absolutely beautiful flower centers, and take a photo, post it on Instagram, and don't forget to tag Paper Pro Tutorials or Sydney Paper Flowers. Subscribe to our channel here not to miss any of our new videos coming soon, and have a nice day.